This is the Samsung S24 Ultra running the One UI 6.1. Let's see how it looks, and after that I will see after update One UI 7 beta how it will looks. First check this, go to settings. Here you can see the software update. Last successful update December 12, One UI 6 version 6.1, Android version 14. December security page. This is the S24 Ultra I bought from the USA. So let's see how it looks. First swipe down notification panel. You can see these quick setting tiles on One UI 6.1. Open the recent application. Swipe up and hold to view the recent application on One UI 6.1. Open the app drawer. In old One UI 6.1 you can see the normal app icons. In the latest One UI 7 you can see 3D type icon. So stay connect with us. I will see. In the One UI 6.1 you can see the simple quick setting tiles. In the latest One UI 7 beta you can customize the quick setting tile and notification. You can easily customize or move the quick setting tiles in One UI 7.0. You can also see change clock style. Tap the wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen clock. Tap the clock style. This is the One UI 6.1 clock style. You can change the font style, font color like this, and enable show weather information. In the One UI 7 beta you can see the new section for the font and style. Also you can see the weather information and date and time information in One UI 7. Also add the two new clock style on the One UI 7 beta. So stay and connect with us. In the One UI 6.1, when you swipe down notification panel, you can see the app notification in the one single panel. In the One UI 7 beta, you can see different application, different notification panel with the new UI shape, a new UI icon. Also, when you open app drawer, you can see the search bar at the top. In the One UI 7 beta, you can see search bar at the bottom. Also change here you can see the app icon like a normal. In One UI 7 you can see the 3D type icon with a new look, new AI. And the last and most useful feature in the latest One UI 7 you can see the new now bar feature that will show the information on the lock screen. So you can see any song, any notification or any other info on the lock screen. When you lock your phone, at the bottom middle you can see the now bar on the latest One UI 7 beta. So stay tuned with us to check for this new latest One UI 7 feature on our Samsung S24 Ultra devices. Now I will update my Samsung S24 Ultra to latest One UI 7 beta and check the all latest One UI 7 changes on my S24 Ultra. So stay tuned with us to check out the latest One UI 7. Now update my Samsung S24 Ultra to latest One UI 7 beta. So you can check it. Go to settings. Scroll down up to software update. Tap the software update. Tap the last update. Here you can see the One UI 7 beta 16 December 2024. One UI version 7.0, Android version 15. So let's see what kind of changes in One UI 7 after updating One UI 6.1 to One UI 7 beta. First, open the recent application. So you can see this type of recent application animation on One UI 7 beta. Second, swipe down the notification panel. Here you can customize the notification panel. Tap the pencil icon at the top right. Tap the panel settings. Tap the device notification and quick setting view. Here you can set separate and together two options. So you can view both notification and quick setting tiles together or separate. Here we select the separate. When you select the separate, when you swipe down from the left side you can see the notification only. Or if you want to use quick setting tiles, swipe down from the top right side of the corner. You can also customize this. Tap the setting gear icon. Long press, tap on the edit. Here you can add the option. Tap on a done when complete. Also long press the quick setting tiles and move it the top or bottom like this to customize quick setting tiles, and tap on a done. So quite helpful. New lock screen clock style added on One UI 7 beta. Tap and hold the blank space. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Tap the lock screen wallpaper. Tap the clock style. Here you can see new menu font and color and style option. In font and color you can change the clock font. Also also set the thin or bold to move the cursor or move the slider left or right. Also change clock color. In style you can see the new two clock style. This is the two new clock style. Also see the extra option, show date above the clock, so you can see the date on the clock. When tap on a done to set the new clock style. New apps and widget style available in One UI 7 beta only. You can't find this setting in One UI 6.1. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the settings. Here you can see app and widget style. Tap on it. Here you can increase or decrease the app size. That will apply to only home and app screen on your device. Also enable or disable app labels, so you can show or hide application name from the app drawer or home screen. Also enable disable widget labels. And the next one, you can see the new 3D type application icon. You can see the search bar at the bottom middle. You can see the search bar on the bottom middle. In the One UI 6.1 you can see search bar at the top of the list on your device. You can also see the new battery percentage icon in the status bar or the top right corner. And the last and one of the helpful and unique feature is the now bar. So in the now bar you can quickly access now bar using the lock screen. You can access any music information, notification from the lock screen. So let's see. First off, play any song on your device. Here we play this song on my device. When you lock your phone, you can see the now bar on the lock screen. Tap on it to see the detailed information like lock screen, info, notification, any etc. using this new feature. So this is the all top changes in S24 Ultra after updating the One UI 7 beta on my Samsung S24 Ultra and any other Samsung S24 series. That's it. Please like it, share it.